Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Klaper, and I've been a primary care physician for the past 48 years. And for the past 35 years, I've been using whole food, plant-based nutrition to arrest and then reverse the most fearsome degenerative diseases known to Western medicine. From clogged arteries causing high blood pressure and angina pectoris to obesity and type 2 diabetes and a host of inflammatory diseases from ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease to inflammatory arthritis and psoriasis. Western medicine doesn't have much to offer these conditions, as you've probably found out in your doctor's office. They say etiology unknown, we don't know the cause. But those of us who practice lifestyle medicine, nutritional medicine, know very well why our patients are sitting in front of us, overweight, diabetic, hypertensive, clogged up, and inflamed. It's from the food they're eating. The Western diet has become absolutely toxic, and running burgers and buffalo wings and egg McMuffins through your bloodstream hour after hour leads to these inflammatory states and degenerative diseases. And the worst kept secret in medicine is that changing to a whole food plant-based diet makes these diseases go away. But most physicians don't know anything about this, and to me that's a real tragedy. And I want to place this powerful healing knowledge into the hands of medical students and practicing physicians and dentists and nurses and pharmacists, podiatrists, occupational therapists, physiotherapists. All of us in the health professions need to understand why our patients are having these dreadful conditions and how they can help them go away. And everyone has a role to play here, but you need to know what you're looking at. And to convey this knowledge in a way that's pleasant and practical, I am presenting our master class in plant-based clinical nutrition. And over the course of 12 master classes, I want to make it very clear what are the mechanisms by which food can cause disease or effect its resolution. There's an art and a craft to helping patients adopt healthier diets. There's an art and a craft to de-prescribing medications when they are no longer needed. If you understand what food is really doing in the patient's body, you can understand the disease processes that are happening on your exam table and in the hospital ward and on the other end of that phone in a way you never had understanding before until that nutritional lens is placed before you. And that's what I want to do in our master classes. The German philosophers said, what you know about, you see. And I want to give you the knowledge so you can see the body and health and disease in a whole new and very practical way, and plus a way that's very enjoyable as we go through our 12 sessions on everything from unclogging arteries to resolving diabetes to overcoming colitis to feeding plant-based athletes, raising healthy children, water fasting and plant-based diets for cancer, optimizing organ function, what diets do to kidneys and liver and nerve and skin. There's so much to cover. There's such a beautiful craft involved, and I want to place this knowledge in your hands so when you open the clinic door, you are confident that you have something to offer to your patients that will truly help them to heal on the deepest level. And when you leave the clinic, at the end of the day, I want you to be able to say to yourself, yes, got some dramatic improvements in these people's conditions. I really did some good today. If you want that knowledge, if you want to improve your vision of what is sitting in front of you in the clinic, as well as your ability to truly help people, then let me share this knowledge with you. And I implore you, join us in our master classes of plant-based clinical nutrition. And medicine and healing will never look the same. People will never look the same. Food won't look the same. But they will all add to your understanding of this amazing world and how to help heal the people around you. Join us in our master classes, won't you? Look forward to seeing you there.